Seeing how our innovation helps to save energy, time and resources motivates us every day. INLEAP FASTLIGHT is an ultra-fast digital laser beam steering technology, which is 2,500 times faster than current solutions and enables up to 10 times faster processes. Unlike current solutions, we do not use any moving components, and this is why we are so much faster. Many industries use lasers, so for our first market we focus on additive manufacturing as well as battery cell production and photovoltaic modules. With a team of 5, we are currently improving our technology, and we are also running many pilot projects and already have one customer who's using our INLEAP FASTLIGHT technology. Current solutions for laser beam steering rely on mechanical components such as mirrors. So the mirrors needs to be moved to move the laser beam onto the workpiece. And this leads to a bottleneck for the output capacity. Our technology does not need any moving component. We steer the laser beam pixel-based. It's like the pixels in your smartphone display. Each one is controlled to emit light, but in our case, the light is far more intense. We build and develop both the control unit and the hardware, the laser beam steering system, which can be integrated into both new and already existing machines. Our goal is to reshape the future of laser beam steering by making those production processes more efficient, flexible and sustainable, and thereby enhancing Germany's position as a business and technology hub.